Hello and welcome. Right, these I got these from Temu. They're not very thick, but they're just so cute, little chopping boards, and I thought we could decorate some. So I've done I've done Mod Podger on them, and then put Mod Podger on top. So we'll do one of them, and we'll do another one now. I'm going to go through a black and white one. Okay, so this is what I'll do. I got them from Temu, and they are really dear. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to try and center it in the check a bit. Now all I'm going to do is go around it with my pencil. I'll probably speed you up in a bit when I come to decorating. Okay, so I'm going to cut this out. Oh my word, just about see. So these are going to be so cute. I feel it in my water. There we go. And then I think it was going to work, but bear with it, because when I put the Mod Podger on, I thought that no way is that going to stick, but it does. And I thought, wow, being cardstock as well, you know, not your average napkin kind of thing. Okay, right then. Now all I'm going to do is put, this is, I think, yeah, it works. It's only matte decoupage glue. So, and I've just got me one of these, and I'm just going to put it, let it soak into the wood, because it'll suck it all up. So let it all soak nice in the wood. Okay, and then yep, and then we're going to place it on top. I'm gone. Of course, see what I'm doing here. Okay, and then really press it down. How the hell I've got it there, I do not know. Right then, press it down. I've got a few wooden things from Temu, and I thought I'll come on and see what we can do with them for the craft fair. And oh, let me just show you these, what I bought. Recipe cards. Oh, and they are gorgeous. They lovely. I'm going to make something with them and all, and them thick. These are quite expensive though, I think £5 something, I don't know. I'll try and put the price up on these chopping boards. I'll link it, I'll put it on the screen if I remember how much there was. Okay, so you're just going to let that dry a little bit. Right. And then I'm going to put a layer on top. Let's do that now. Okay, and let that dry. Okay, I'll put it there. Now, some we made earlier. I'm going to use this. It's the ginger. It's the other one. It's the one I got. I did try and make some. I've cocked up on the other one. I was trying to make this. I was trying to make this out of an envelope, a 3D box thingy, and it just ain't thick enough for me. Just now, or do we? Anyway, I've ordered the die. Anyway, I did make one though. I was going to come on and show you how I made it. Anybody was interested? I don't know. It's gone now. Oh, it is. I did try it. I made one like just a little envelope thing. But I don't know. I've ordered the die anyway. I think sometimes you get the with the die you get the lime bits and everything. It looks nice. It's hard. I hate to do it when I got the die. Anyway, once that's dry, all I've done is go round with the what you call it, nail file. Right, then I'm gonna add a little bit of ink, I think. If I can find it. Then I'm thinking about adding a little bit of vintage felt around. Okay. Get in there. I don't want blue on it. Right then. Am I still? Yes. So I'm gonna put this around here so it just gets rid of that white. Okay, I think I'm going to put you on fast forward now. Oh, I really enjoyed that. That's so cute. What do you think? Put a toy on it to hang it up. Put a bit of a bow on. Put some of this on, like straw. I think that looks cute. My gingerbread house. And it's cute, eh? I could sell them at the craft fair. Yeah, so I've got this one. And I've got this one to do now. So I think I'll come back on and do these because I have got time now. I've got to cut them all, take all the little pips off them as well. So that's taking me time. Right then, so thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget me giveaway. Anybody can join. Right then, thanks. Bye.